Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the mobile connector is unplugged from both wall power and the car. Safety first. Next, confirm the adapter sizes and inspect the O-ring for wear so you know whether to reuse or replace it. Once ready, expose the adapter release tab and use a small flat tool only if the tab is tight. You want to lift and disengage the catch so the adapter can slide out smoothly without bending pins. With the release tab depressed, pull the adapter straight out. Do not yank at an angle because the pins and contacts are delicate. Once removed, inspect the connector cavity and brush away any debris with a lint-free cloth. Clean the O-ring seating surface so the seal is reliable. Now align the replacement adapter by matching the keyed notch, then push evenly until you feel or hear the mechanical latch engage. This ensures proper electrical contact and a weatherproof seal. To finish, resecure the retaining ring or screws to their original tightness so the adapter won't work loose while driving. This preserves the seal and electrical reliability. Then, plug the connector into the car and start a low-current charge to confirm recognition and watch the indicator lights for normal behavior. If the car won't detect the adapter, reboot the car's system and clean the pin contacts with isopropyl. Persistent faults often stem from dirty pins or a torn O-ring, not the adapter electronics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.